His infatuation was unreciprocated, and the rejection was soul-crushing. You guys know what unreciprocated, infatuation, soul-crushing mean? If you do not know, make sure to watch this video till the end. The first word is unreciprocated. It is an adjective which is taken from the verb reciprocate, which means to give back, to return. When something is unreciprocated, it means it's not given back. It is not returned. Usually it is used with the word love. Like when somebody says unreciprocated love, it means his love or her love is one-sided. When you love somebody and then they do not love you back, then that is unreciprocated love. Or to give you another example, when you're kind to somebody, don't worry. Your kindness will not go unreciprocated. It's gonna given to you back one way or the other. And the next word is infatuation. It is a noun which means an intense, strong attraction or crush, but usually temporary or fleeting. To give you an example, teenagers often feel infatuation with celebrities. It's not a deep love, it is kind of an obsession. They have a strong crush, but usually temporary on celebrities. And the last word is soul crushing. It's an adjective which means when something is emotionally devastating, it is deeply painful. To give you an example, let's say you have a test or an exam, and then you're well prepared. You studied days and night, you prepare yourself well, and then you take the test and then you fail. So when you're well prepared and then you fail the test, then it is soul crushing. It is deeply painful. Another example for soul crushing, suppose you have a close relative, he is sick, he has an illness, but you do not have the money, your finance is low, you cannot go to hospital, you cannot go to doctor. So when you have somebody ill or they have a disease, then you cannot go to hospital, then it's going to be soul crushing because you cannot treat them. You cannot go to doctor. You do not have the money. It's going to be devastating. It's going to be soul crushing. It is deeply painful. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comment down below.